Hey guys, Mike the Pan Man here. Mike Pugh with TOWNECRAFT Cookware. Hope you're doing well today. We're going to have some videos, some new videos. Several people have requested that we update some videos and also that we shoot some new videos. So over the next few weeks, we're going to be releasing a lot of new videos. Now you'll be able to find those on my website, MikeThePanman.com. Okay. MikeThePanman.com, not Mike the Pot Man. That's a whole different thing. That's not me. Anyway, we're going to be putting them up on there. We'll be putting them up on our YouTube channel, which is, of course, Mike the Pan Man. And if you go there on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell, and you know how that works. Every time we put a new video up, you'll get a notification and you'll be able to watch the new videos. So today what we're going to do is we're going to show you the electric skillet. As some of you know, if you already have it, and some of you that don't, but you've seen it in use, it's the most versatile piece of cookware in the world, okay? It's our TOWNECRAFT oil core electric skillet. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the electric skillet, we're gonna make a pizza, then we're gonna show you how to fry chicken with no grease, okay? So I'm gonna, first of all, I'm gonna wash my hands, and I always tell my people on my parties, y'all are real fortunate because I only wash them every other dinner. And I didn't do it last night, but of course I did. But anyway, if you want to make the pizza, what you want to do, and I'll show you how we've prepped it so far. We just got one of these cellophane bag pizza crust, and any of them work. Add a half a cup of hot water to that, mix it up in a bowl, and spray your pan with Pam, and I prefer the name brand Pam. I just think it works so much better. Spray your pan with Pam and put your pizza crust in there. And it's pretty simple. Let it rise, let it rise for about 4 or 5 minutes. And then just press it out into the pan. Now you can use any of these packages. As I said, you can always go to your pizza parlor. They still call them pizza parlors? I don't know. But anyway, you can go to where you buy your pizzas or have in the past. A lot of times they'll sell you some dough if you want to use it theirs, or they come in the dairy case also. Okay, so I don't really like the ones in the dairy case. I don't think they work as well. First of all, most of them come in a tube, so when you roll it out, it's a rectangle. It's kind of hard to get a rectangle to fit in there, but pretty simple. The next thing we're going to do is add sauce. Any sauce that you use would work. Don't have to use a specific kind, but any sauce that you want to use will work for you. And you just put that out, spread it around. Had a lady the other night. She said, this is perfect for us because my husband doesn't like sauce, and I like a lot of sauce, so. So we can customize it. We can put most of the sauce on my side and very little on his. Just get you something, spread that around. Very, very simple, okay? And you can see this is like a 3-minute process, just putting that together. And then put whatever topping you want on it, okay? You can literally do any topping. If you do ground beef or sausage, you want to bread those first, but typically anything else, you just put it on there and spread it around. Now pepperoni, ground beef, you can put them little dead minnows on there if you want to. Those little hairy fish, you can put those on there if you want to, but we're just doing a cheese pizza. Main thing we like to show in our presentations is the crust, okay? So there we go. What we're going to do is we're going to put the lid on that. That's our senior dome lid, or our 12-inch dome lid, and we're going to plug it up. We've already got it set to 350. Now we're going to set the timer for 13 minutes, and in 13 minutes we're going to have pizza. All right, now time for the big reveal. Pretty phenomenal, pretty phenomenal. We looked at about $4 on that pizza, as opposed to typical medium pizza being delivered $17. Check out the crust, okay? Isn't that beautiful? Maybe it'd be easier if I show it to you like that. And again, we're talking about quick, easy. We're talking about customizable. We're talking about Make it any way you want to make it. Put anything you want to put on it. And that's all there is to it, okay? So, hope you enjoy the pizza. Look, if you want me to come make you one at your house, I'll be happy to. Just let me know, MikeThePanMan.com or 615-945-4245. God bless you. We're going to come back here in just a minute. We're going to show you how to do fried chicken with no grease.